I'm going to show you how you can enter a referral code on Kraken, so this way you will get 20 euros on Bitcoin completely for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically you just need to click on sign up to begin the process of creating your Kraken account. Just put in your email right here and then click on add invite code. So you can do it with an invite code, or you can directly click the link that I will leave on the description below. So if you want to use an invite code, I will leave mine, which is right here on the description as well. So as you can see, by using this code, you will get 20 euros and I will get 20 euros as well. So after you create an account, you can even go to referrals right here to also get your code and link and start inviting your friends, so you will both get 20 euros as well. You will get paid within 14 days directly through Bitcoin on your Kraken account, and all you need to do is create and verify your account with your ID, which should not take more than 5 minutes. Then you need to deposit at least 100 euros and trade them, which can be just buying any crypto like Bitcoin, and then you can just sell it or convert it or do anything you want. So that's it. In just 30 minutes you got 20 euros and your friend got 20 euros as well. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.